Okay, as shown on the picture that I show you, this is under the table and there is 2 holes here and 2 holes here. So it's supposed to have 2 white studs on the tabletop so that when you put the steel and the screw can go into the white part. However, I can't understand how the customer force out the white stud during installation. I think when she screwed, then she maybe try to move the 2 parts, like this and this part, so it force out this part and this part force out. That's why the white stud on the table top is being removed. As you can see from her picture, the white color is no longer on the tabletop. It's whole with some white plastic left inside, and even you can see that the surrounding of the hole, there is some crack. That means it's being forced out. I hope that this video I can explain clearly to you what I mean on the message that I sent.